Ever wondered if there's a better way to handle your business finances without all the traditional bank hassle? Bank well, stick around because today we're diving deep into the Tide Business Account, a digital solution that's changing the game for freelancers, sole traders, and small businesses. We'll break down exactly what it is, how it works, and why it might be the perfect fit for you. What is a Tide Business Account? So, what exactly is it? Think of Tide as a fintech company that provides a digital business bank account. It's not a bank itself, but it partners with licensed banks to offer its services. This means you get all the functionality of a business account, like a sort code and an account number, but managed entirely through a slick mobile app and web platform. It's all about simplicity and speed, cutting out the need for physical branches and endless paperwork. Key features that make Tide stand out. What makes Tide so popular? It's the features designed specifically for the needs of modern businesses. First up, the Tide Expense Card. It's a MasterCard that helps you keep your business spending separate from your personal finances. This is a huge win for tax time. You can even get additional cards for your team and set spending limits. Next, let's talk about invoicing. Tide's app allows you to create and send professional invoices in a flash. You can customize them with your logo and even get notified when you've been paid. It completely streamlines what used to be a tedious process. One of the most powerful features is automated bookkeeping. Tide can categorize your transactions and even integrate with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. This makes managing your books and preparing for tax season so much easier. No more late nights with a spreadsheet. Tide also offers credit services like the Tide Credit Card and the Cashback Card, helping you manage your cash flow and even earn rewards. They also have a feature for easy payment links, making it simple for customers to pay you online. Is a Tide business account right for you? Now for the big question, is it the right choice for you? If you're a freelancer, sole trader, or run a small business and you're looking for a simple, fast, and digital way to manage your finances, then yes, it's a great option. It's particularly beneficial if you want to keep your business and personal finances separate without the high fees or complex procedures of traditional banks. However, if you need a physical branch to deposit cash regularly or require a full-service banking experience, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Tide is built for the digital-first entrepreneur. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.